Lovely people, Coupon and Crystal here. Welcome back to the channel, guys. In today's video, we are going to do about 15 rebates, guys. We got a little shop kick, we got some IBOTTA, we got some shout outs. So let's jump into it. All right, guys, before we start with the rebates, we must do the shout outs. Let's shout out Anna. Anna decided to use my IBOTTA referral code and they gave Coupon and Crystal some cash. Thank you so very much. I appreciate you thinking about me. And Bria decided to use my IBOTTA referral code as well. Thank you so very much. I appreciate that extra cash. All right, so let's jump into the haul. Now, the first rebate we are going to talk about, I did not include on the Google document. As always, guys, in the description box of the video, there's always a link to a Google document that you guys can upload on, bring up on your phone. You can print it off before you go to the store. Either way you want to do it, but I do a breakdown of the deals so you guys can see what Coupon and Crystal paid and coupons and where to find them and stuff like that. Now, the first rebate I was so upset about, guys, because it actually disappeared. It disappeared once I got out of the store, and it should not have disappeared according to the expiration of the rebate, because you know, guys, Coupon and Crystal takes pictures of everything. I screenshot everything, okay? Now, the rebate that I did was the IBOTTA security pads, all right? These were priced $5.47. There was a $2 peely on the product. It was gonna drop my cost to $3.47 in store. Now, there was a $3 IBOTTA rebate that just disappeared, okay? That made me so mad. I'm expecting to get $1.30 back from Shopkick, making these be absolutely free and 83 cents money maker, okay? But it just changed the whole total. So I was like, I'm not even including that in a deal because I was just so upset about it. The next rebate that I did decide to get and did actually work out was the Poise 1, okay? These are the 2-in-1, and these are actually pads with wings. It's 18 in a box. They're priced $6.88. I used a $3 coupon that was actually in the 725 Smart Source, dropped my cost in store to $3.88. Now, there is $3 coming back from Fetch if you happen to have that Fetch rebate, check your account, and $2.88 coming back from Shopkick. That is scanning in store kicks and uploading the receipt for a final cost of absolutely free and a $2 money maker. Okay, great deal. For the next rebate was on the Snickers. This is $1.48, no coupon. $1.48 is what I paid in store. 25 cents coming back from IBOTTA. Final cost $1.23. My husband will take that in his lunch, honey. Next rebate was on the extra gum. Only priced $1, no coupon. Paid $1 in store, 50 cents coming back from IBOTTA. Final cost 50 cents. I decided to get the Incognito burger patties. They're priced $5.48 in my Walmart, no coupon. There's $2.50 coming back from IBOTTA. Final cost $2.98. My husband's gonna have these for dinner tonight. And you know, anytime Coupon and Crystal can get hand soap, she's gonna get it. She's gonna get it. Now, there is a rebate for soft soap. Now, this is the 7.5 ounce of the soft soaps. They were priced 98 cents in my Walmart. For my rebate, I must purchase 4 for a total cost of $3.92. I did not have any coupons, and I didn't even check softsoap.com to see if there were any available. So I had to pay $3.92 in store, $1.50 coming back from IBOTTA. Final cost $2.42 for the 4 bottles of soft soap. The next thing I did was the soft soap again, but it's actually a little larger. This is 11.12 ounce. These were priced $1.98 in my Walmart. No coupon, paid $1.98, 75 cents coming back from IBOTTA. Final cost $1.23. I also decided to get the Sara Lee butter bread. It was priced $2.48 in my Walmart. 500 points coming back from Fetch, which is the equivalent of 50 cents. So I thought that was a pretty good deal. I was buying bread anyway. Y'all know how I feel about these things. I got these things everywhere. I have so many of these. They are in trays slid up under beds. I don't care. It's just an easy little air freshener thing. I even put them in the garage, okay? Because the garage sometimes have a little musty smell because it's closed up all the time. So I like to put these in my garage. These were priced 97 cents. For my rebate, I must purchase 2 for a total of $1.94. No coupon because the coupon I think that was available expired on the 1st. So I had to pay $1.94 in store. There is 97 cents coming back from IBOTTA. Final cost 97 cents for the 2. Next rebate I did was on the Quaker instant oatmeal, and I decided to get the s'mores flavor. Had I been paying attention, I probably would have got a different flavor, but I didn't want to get my husband kitty looking oatmeal. The other ones, the dinosaur ones, look kitty, and I noticed today that they're actually on Shopkick, but I didn't see the s'mores one on Shopkick. I'm not quite sure why, but anyway, let me know if you guys have this one on your Shopkick, but I don't. Just had like the dinosaur one, I think. So the Quaker instant oatmeal was priced $2.50. It didn't have a coupon, so that's what I paid in store. But I did get $1.25 back from IBOTTA, making it be half price, $1.25, which is a good deal. You know, my husband eats 2 packs of oatmeal every day. Now, next rebate was on the Colgate Renewal toothpaste, priced $6.96. I did not have a paper coupon to lower my cost in store, so I had to pay $6.96. Now, I did use the coupons.com app to give me back $3, and $3 coming back from IBOTTA makes the final cost 96 cents. Now, if you had some type of Colgate coupon to apply to it, then great for you, but I didn't. Next rebate is on the Kraft mac and cheese, priced 98 cents. No coupon, so that's what I paid in store. I did get 35 cents back from IBOTTA, making the final cost only 63 cents. Not too shabby. Now, I must buy my sweetened condensed Eagle brand milk. You ever tasted this stuff? It's so good. $2.14. No coupon, paid $2.14 in store. 75 cents coming back from IBOTTA. Final cost $1.39. I told you guys, I put this in my coleslaw. The next rebate I decided to get was the white pretzels, the flips. Now the flips are priced $3.18 in my Walmart. No coupon, so I paid $3.18. There is a 75 cents rebate coming back from IBOTTA and 88 cents coming back from Shopkick, making the final cost $1.55. All right, the Jet Puffed Marshmallows, guys. Jet Puffed Marshmallows were $1.76. I'm checking a date because I'm buying them for Christmas, okay? And hot chocolate season. $1.76 is what I had to pay in store. $1 coming back from IBOTTA and 64 cents from Shopkick makes the final cost only 12 cents for a bag of marshmallows. That is great. Great, great, great. All right, now I was able to get my Lysol wipes, and y'all already know how I feel about this, okay? You must do the Lysol wipes, okay? Lysol wipes are $2.34. For the 2, $4.68. I bought 2 because I had $1 off of 2. Coupon, you could just do one thing, but what's the point? Get 2 if you can. So, final cost that I paid in store was $3.68. 50 cents coming back from each one of these. That's $1 back. Final cost $2.68. I think that's good. Anytime you can get sanitizer wipes at a discount, you need to jump on it, because you know we wasn't even able to get them last year, and we definitely wouldn't get no coupon. All right, we got Smart Water again because it's a cheap rebate. It's $1.58, no coupon. 50 cents coming back from IBOTTA. Final cost only 8 cents. So I think this was a great haul, guys. I did use a $5 gift card from Shopkick. Y'all know I hadn't really been doing Shopkick here lately because Shopkick to me wasn't doing no deals worthy of me doing. Right, guys? So I think this was a great haul. I liked all the products that I did get. I was a little in my feelings about the U by Kotex, but it is what it is. But I am going to submit a ticket this evening to IBOTTA because I think they've got some splaining to do. No need to do the breakdown, guys, because you know I kind of quit doing the numbers breakdown. Let me know in the comments below the video if you guys like for me to do the numbers breakdown, but I feel like that just varies by person because I may have gift cards to redeem and you guys may not, you know what I'm saying? So my haul may be free and yours is not. So I don't want it to be to that point to where it's confusing anybody, but I don't think it is. I just think it's just an unnecessary part for me to put in the video because it's, you know, it's going to vary by person. The important part is the rebates. That's the important part, okay? All right, guys, that's it. Remember, click to save and you'll be amazed. If this video was helpful for you, I would surely appreciate if you would consider giving Couponic Crystal a thumbs up. All right. And if you're not already a member of that coupon crew, can you please hit the pink box in the corner? Boop. Hit the pink box in the corner and join the coupon crew so you can know when I want to come on here, do a live, do a chit chat, say hey, say hi. All right. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.